is on and he's saying those signs. I watching from behind, I believe. Please, can somebody confirm is my voice coming out? If my voice is coming out, this is brother Peter. You need to refresh your phone or your system because it is obvious you are watching from behind. I think you are in that part where I muted myself in the past. Can you drag the video off, or just refresh so that the last one will be updated on your end? Can somebody confirm? Can you hear me? Can you confirm? It's clear. Your voice is coming out. Okay. So Peter, please refresh your system so that my voice will, because I think you are watching from behind. So, like as I was saying, my people, it's not as if supporting somebody or following somebody is a problem. The main problem here is that they don't want to tell you that you are falling back with your money. And the guy that is that back where you are falling is not good in accountability. He's not good in accountability. So you have to fall to where people will trust you with their money. That is not a fact. But they don't want to remember that. Like what Ogodoman asked QTV in that his video. What is your contribution about that? I am somehow disappointed on him, to be honest with you. I don't need to lie. I'm somehow disappointed that he can say what I just heard from him, because what he said here doesn't make sense to me. And I was expecting that he's far better than many of them, but no. Now let me share with you another Fulani atrocity before we end this live broadcast, because I have spent 2 hours plus here. Normally, in the morning I spend almost 2 hours plus. So now again, today is a very free day for me. So I spend a lot of time on social media. And Kai, please, do you have that voice where another man was saying Ogenkere what? I don't understand what you mean. Kevin, which of the voice you're talking about? And when did you join this broadcast? Are you just joining, or you have been here? Because I played the one I have before earlier on this live broadcast. Flashback is the mistake they made, and that is what they are trying to do to defend, and they cannot defend it. That from Amy. Now this is another set. Oh wait, hold on. Let me remove this. This is another set of Fulani. Okay, what you are watching now is another set of Fulani. Look at them here. Another set of Fulani people trying their best to do what they know how to do best. Let me play it again.